Hi peeps, welcome to my channel. I have a very quick video coming in a few seconds, but before I do that, I wanted to show you where the description is below, because I do get messages and emails. I'll just click on my latest video and pause it.
If you haven't tried
So where do you find the description below? This is where the description is, and you'll see there is a show more. And here you will have links to my other videos and how to purchase my art through my Etsy store. There's my website and the products that I recommend for use. This is my recommended list in Amazon. On yours, when you look at my videos, you won't be able to see analytics or edit video. But if I click on someone else's, let's click on one of Tammy's, you'll see, oh, there's a pussycat. Cute! You see that there isn't the edit video or analytics there, but then you click on show more and you'll see everything that she has going on. All right, now let's get on with my video. I'm excited to do this. Look what just arrived. I have been wanting a jigsaw for so long. Some of my friends would rather have a new pair of shoes. I like getting new power tools. So I have the instructions here. Let's take it out of its box. Yay! It's a Black & Decker, and this was not expensive. This was like that off Amazon, and I think it was $23. And why do I want a jigsaw? Because I want to be able to cut pieces of wood into the shapes of geodes. I know some people do geodes on squares, but that looks weird to me. I want to do like slices of geodes. So here, oh, and I also got, so it came with this, which is called Speed Wood. And then I also ordered spare blades. Rough, smooth, scrolling, medium, and thin. And then it has a dial on the side, so you can change your curve contour. So that's like a really curvy one. That's the one I'm going to use a lot. And now I have to put the first blade in and insert the shank of the saw blade into the blade holder 8 as far as it will go. Release the lever. Oh gosh. 3. Number 3 is saw blade locking lever. So that. So insert the blade. Can't be it. That's it. That was really easy. Oh well. Anyway, I'm going to read the instructions, and I also got 2 sawhorses, which I don't know, my friends think I'm crazy. But anyway, I'm really looking forward to doing some woodwork. I will take you into my dirty garage studio once I have read the instructions and figured out how to use this little devil. Okay, I've got my sawhorses lined up. I have clamped a piece of wood. I'm just going to mess around with this and see if I can actually cut anything. I also have a mask and some eye protection. And you can attach a vacuum cleaner to the back here because all the dust blows out there. But I'm just going to give it a quick whirl. I'm kind of nervous. The other thing, which I don't have, but I will get, is in the instructions, it recommends, ow, my hair, ear plugs. So we'll see how. Okay, there's my mask on. I need to plug it in, might be helpful. And so when I have figured out, when I've done lots of practices, I am going to draw a geode on a piece of wood, not too thick. I think I need to build up to that. And then cut out my own geode. So let's see. Oh, this is kind of scary. I've got it on the wiggly one. Okay, where did it go? Take my mask off. I'm breathing into my goggles through my mask. It's steaming everything up. I'm going to unplug it just in case something happens. All right, it's unplugged. Easel out of the way. Okay, so I guess I just have to sand that down. But this was just my first try using this. So I think this is going to work really well for a nice big geode. All right, that's all, just a quickie. See you next time.